Hi guys, it's Mrs. Byte here. Welcome to another Speed Sound Set 3 phonics lesson. The sound we are learning today is O. These are the Speed Sound Set 3 sounds that you already know. E, cup of tea. Oi, spoil the boy. A, make a cake. I, nice smile. O, phone home. Oo, huge brute. O, yawn at dawn. Air, care and share. Nurse with a purse. A better letter. Ow, a brown cow. A snail in the rain. This is the sound card for today. The sound is O, and the ditty is O, goat in a boat. You can see on the picture that there is a goat sat in a green boat with some red oars. It looks like he's rowing on a pool. My turn, your turn. O, goat in a boat. O, goat in a boat. Can you help me read some words using our new O sound? Remember to use Fred Talk and don't forget to spot your special friends. It's now time to read some words using our special friends. Don't forget to spot them in each word and use Fred in your head to help you. Our sound today is O. My turn, your turn. G-O-T, goat. Th-O-Th-R-O-T, throat. O-R-O-D, road. O-T-O-St, toast. A-O-S-I-L, sail. B-O-T, boat, sailboat. O-ng, F-L-O-T-I-ng, floating. Well done. Now we're going to read these words without any dots and dashes. Remember to use Fred in your head and say the words as I push them forward. Off we go. Can we go a bit quicker this time? Well done. Are you now ready to do some writing with our new O sound? Remember, you can pause this video at any point so that you can pinch the sounds on your fingers. You need to write these words in your home learning pack. The first word I would like you to write is goat. Goat. The next word I would like you to write is toast. Toast. The last word I would like you to write today is floating. Floating. Good luck. Now we're going to check your spellings. How did you spell goat? Did you write G-O-T? If you did, give yourself a tick. The next word was toast. Did you write T-O-S-T? If you did, give yourself another tick. The last word was floating. If you wrote F-L-O-T-I-N-G, give yourself a tick. If you've got them all right, give yourself a marshmallow clap. You are a super speller. Well done. The last thing you need to do today is to read some alien words. Remember to spot your special friends and say the words as I push them forward. Off we go. What a load of nonsense. Bye for now.